The vibrant downtown Cleveland, a blueprint for African urban development. Greetings and welcome back. Today, we embark on a journey through the vibrant streets of downtown Cleveland, Ohio. We aim to share some captivating images and experiences from this dynamic area, highlighting elements African cities could emulate to enhance their urban landscapes and economies. Downtown Cleveland is a prime example of successful urban revitalization. Its towering skyscrapers, bustling office spaces, and eclectic dining and entertainment options define the area. As you stroll through the streets, the vibrancy is palpable. People enjoy outdoor dining, sipping drinks at trendy cafes, and soaking in live music from various street performers. Each street has its unique character, contributing to the overall appeal of the city's core. The architectural grandeur of buildings like the Terminal Tower, which once stood as the second tallest building in the world, showcases the city's rich history and forward-thinking design. Public spaces like Public Square, with its inviting green spaces and interactive installations, serve as communal hubs where residents and visitors gather to relax and socialize. As I navigated the streets of Cleveland, my thoughts turned to Kinshasa, the capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo, a city brimming with cultural vibrancy and musical heritage. Imagine if Kinshasa and other African cities could develop similarly vibrant downtown areas that attract locals and tourists. The potential for such development is vast and inspiring. Kinshasa, known for its pulsating music scene, could transform its downtown into a global music and entertainment hub. This transformation would not only celebrate its cultural roots, but also create numerous opportunities for economic growth. A bustling downtown area with music venues, art galleries, and cultural festivals could attract tourists worldwide, eager to experience the unique African cultural tapestry. Africa's diverse climates, stunning landscapes, and rich cultural heritage make it a prime destination for tourism. With strategic investments in infrastructure and creative urban planning, African cities could become significant attractions on the global stage. Transforming downtown areas into vibrant, bustling hubs could unlock immense economic potential and improve the quality of life for residents. 1. Pedestrian-friendly streets. Developing pedestrian-friendly streets with cafes, restaurants, and entertainment venues can create a sense of community and attract locals and tourists. These areas can become vibrant social and communal centers, encouraging people to spend more time and money in the city. 2. Green spaces. Incorporating green spaces such as parks and gardens into urban planning enhances the aesthetic appeal and provides recreational areas for residents. These spaces can also serve as venues for outdoor events and festivals, further boosting the city's cultural scene. 3. Cultural landmarks. Investing in cultural landmarks and institutions, such as museums, theaters, and art galleries, can preserve and promote the city's heritage. These institutions can also attract tourists and serve as educational resources for the local population. 4. Efficient public transportation. Developing efficient public transportation systems ensures accessibility and convenience for everyone. Reliable and affordable transportation can connect different parts of the city, making it easier for residents and tourists to explore and enjoy all the city offers. Economic impact. 1. Job creation. Developing vibrant downtown areas can create numerous job opportunities in sectors such as hospitality, entertainment, retail, and tourism. This can reduce unemployment rates and stimulate economic growth. 2. Local businesses. Supporting local businesses by providing prime locations in the city center can boost the local economy. Small businesses add character to the city and provide unique products and services that attract visitors. 3. Tourism revenue. Attracting tourists through well-planned urban development can generate significant revenue for the city. Tourists spend money on accommodations, dining, entertainment, and souvenirs, contributing to the local economy. The images and experiences from downtown Cleveland provide insights into how other cities operate and ignite a spark of appreciation and pride for the potential of urban development in Africa. Scenes like those in Cleveland are typical across the United States, showcasing the impact of thoughtful urban planning and investment. There is no doubt that Africa, with its abundant resources and vibrant cultures, can achieve similar, if not greater, feats in urban development. African cities can become global hubs of culture, commerce, and tourism. With a collective vision, strategic planning, and investment, these cities can transform their urban landscapes into bustling centers of activity that reflect their unique charm and potential. Let these images from Cleveland inspire hope and optimism, sparking a movement towards creating vibrant downtown areas that celebrate and enhance the rich cultural heritage of African cities. Let's look at some successful case studies and stories of worldwide urban renewal and development to illustrate the potential for urban transformation in African cities. 1. Cape Town, South Africa. The Victoria and Alfred waterfront in Cape Town is a shining example of successful urban redevelopment. Once a neglected harbor area, it has become a bustling tourist destination with shops, restaurants, museums, and entertainment venues. This redevelopment has created jobs, boosted the local economy, and enhanced Cape Town's global reputation as a must-visit city. 2. Kigali, Rwanda. Kigali has radically transformed over the past decade. With significant investments in infrastructure, cleanliness, and security, Kigali has become one of the most attractive cities in Africa. The city's green initiatives, such as car-free zones and extensive parklands, have made it a model for sustainable urban development. 3. Singapore. While not in Africa, Singapore's journey from a developing nation to a global financial hub offers valuable lessons. With strategic planning, investment in education, and a focus on creating a business-friendly environment, Singapore has become one of the world's most prosperous cities. Its emphasis on green spaces, efficient public transport, and urban cleanliness are aspects that African cities can learn from and adapt. In conclusion, the vibrant downtown of Cleveland, Ohio, offers a glimpse into the possibilities for African cities. By drawing inspiration from successful urban centers worldwide and leveraging their unique strengths, African cities can create vibrant, dynamic, and economically prosperous downtown areas. Let us work together to turn this vision into reality, celebrating Africa's potential and promise of urban development. It is time for African cities to embrace their potential and invest in their future. Urban planners, government officials, business leaders, and citizens must collaborate to create inclusive, sustainable, and vibrant urban spaces that celebrate African culture and heritage while driving economic growth and improving the quality of life for all residents. Let these images from Cleveland catalyze change, inspiring a new era of urban development across the African continent.